Now we'll learn to about fillet command. So how we'll use the fillet command? So, and what is fillet actually? Suppose you need a line, you need a corner here with a smooth curve or a smooth circle. Then how we'll do that actually? So to do that, simply click here fillet on that option in modify tools, fillet here, and it's telling us select first object and second object. So I'm clicking here first object and second object, but before that you have to provide here for which option you want to use fillet. I want to use fillet with radius, so I'll click radius and you have to provide the value of radius. So I need a radius of suppose 1 inch radius. Okay, so when I'll provide a radius of 1 inch, now I'll select the first object and I'll select the second object. Just see, a fillet have been created. In this way we are able to simply do it. That, and if I escape it, and again if I press F and if I press enter, then also I'll be able to use fillet command. If you do not change anything, the previous command will be activated, but I will go for radius, then I'll press R, then enter, and I'll specify the radius 0.5 inch suppose. Then I'll go for that one and I'll go for that one. Just see, they have radius with 5 inch. Again if I enter and if I select that one and if I select that one, a fillet will be created here. Again enter, click here and click here, enter, click here and here, enter here and here. So in this way you are able to fillet any corner of a member or to joint. So thank you very much.